I just took the bike out from storage. It's been sitting cold all winter. I haven't touched her, not even charging the battery. It's cold, yeah, you can see. I'm gonna try to start it, give it a pump. Yeah, turning on the key, yeah. Is it? There we go, yeah, the key, and it needs to be on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is the greatest thing I have ever bought myself. This is the shit. This is good. Fuck yeah. Save everything. Much easier, huh? So, take off the covers, yes. Remove these two bolts. Loose the hose clamps on both here and over here. Tie down the bike in front, and then you can push down here in the rear, and then you will have great access. You see, it's already off now. Piece of cake, huh? If when you fit the Chinese FCR and you feel that like this is very tight, you can just take off the rubber and switch it for the other way, and that way you will have a slightly bigger opening here, making it easier for this one to come on, and you still it's still airtight. So, and this I just made by some fiberglass sparkle body fillers, fiberglass body filler, I think it's called that. Here in Norway we call it sparkle, and it looks like it's lots of grooves for air to come in, but it's not. It just looks like this. It's this coloration. And what I did, I grinded down this trumpet to make it fit for this one, and then I added this one for the clamp to get attached to. Very easy. And for this, I'm gonna change it out now today for a different one, which I can connect my original choke to. And then I'm gonna change the jets, and I'm gonna install under here or on the side. Yeah, I can show you. This one I'm gonna install so it's easier to make any adjustment if I need it. And for the choke part, I ordered this because this will fit, I think, the original choke cable, which I already have, so at least then I have choke. I don't need it with this carburetor, but I'm gonna put it like this because instead of me just having the wire loose up by the handlebar, it's better for me to just make it proper. Oh yes, I forgot one thing. This is the original. I have the original throttle cables. As you can see, I had to make them shorter. I took away about 6-7 millimeters or so, because it was like a pipe with a bend over here, and I took away the bend. If you don't do it, you will have on this carburetor you will have the throttle cables sticking up a little bit, and it will hit the gas tank. So this is just for making the gas tank fit on after. The Chinese FCR comes with lots of jets from 42 up to 60 for the small jets, and from 155 up to 200 for the bigger jets. And what the carburetor usually comes with is I think it was 50 for small jet and 175 for the bigger jet. So there you know. To change the choke for the original cable, I think most of you have this choke lever here. You just buy this on Aliexpress. You put it like this instead of this one, and you screw it back in here, and voila, you can use your original cable. Put it back together. As you can see, it's not much clearance for the exhaust, but it went well last summer, so I put on some new hose. I filled it up. I checked the cables if they are, yes. I'm gonna put on power. I got yeah, the choke is working. I don't think I need choke now. I put in 160 main jet and 42 idle jet, and yeah. These, oh, there we go. Okay, light. Okay, now it's empty with gas, perfect, and no leaking either. Okay, let's modify it, different color coming up.